Hello everyone, welcome to our 4,000 subscriber video.
Yoo-hoo!
My name is Nikki.
And here,
yes,
I'm behind the camera, and thank you so much for the 4,000 subscribers. What are we doing today?
today we are going to be washing dishes.
Good. So, we are washing dishes. This has been a big journey for us, and we thank you so much for staying with us all this time. We did some videos on how to wash dishes and what to say when you're washing dishes. First, we said dishes are sende.
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 Then, soap. You see the soap? Soap is sabun.
Sabun.
So that action of taking the soap, can you take the soap and then just that action of putting it on the that one, that is called goyo sabun.
Goyo sabun.
Yeah, that is goyo sabun. Enough. Hey, wait, you're goying sabun all of it. So that is goyo sabun, and then that is luoko. Luoko san.
Luoko san.
Yeah, luoko
that
san.
big bubble.
Yeah, that is luoko san. So you wash the plates, and that is one of the issues that you do when you're washing plates. You say, what do you say? Do you remember?
Luoko sende.
Yeah. So, but when you're chasing,
Rinsing.
yes, rinsing, you say allow san.
Allow san.
Yes, lao is the same as rinsing. So when you're rinsing it, allow san.
Allow san.
Yeah. And if you put it there, you say amoyo.
Amoyo.
Amoyo. So moyo is airing it out to dry. Okay. That is moyo.
Moyo.
Yes. So that is rinsing. Rinsing is allow.
Allow.
And then that is moyo.
Amoyo.
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 Yes. You remember water?
Yes.
How you call water?
Water.
In Luo.
I forgot. Wait. P.
Yes. P.
Yes. P.
Not P.
P.
P. Like, you know, like P, like like P, like P, yes. Like urine, P. Yeah. Yes. Aye. That is called what? Sufria.
Sufuria.
Sufria, not
Sufuria.
Sufuria is for Swahilis. But sufria is for Luos. And if you know the names of sufrias, what do they do? What do they do with the name of sufria and Luo? What should they do? You're so dark.
I'm black.
Yeah, it's the lighting of the camera.
Okay. Well, the sufuria, you use the sufuria to cook food. Any type of food.
And cooking is called tedo.
Tedo.
So this is where we started our videos about 2 years ago. We did a short video on how to wash plates. And today we are doing a long video on how to wash plates. By then we didn't even know how to use a camera. We didn't have good sound. But now we have good sound, we have a good camera. And we thank you so much for being with us all this time. So Nikki is washing plates. In Luo you say Nikki luoko sende.
Nikki luoko sende.
Yes, Nikki luoko sende.
Nikki luoko sende.
And there are very different types of utensils.
Yes, many.
And lutkon. You know that one is called lutkon, the one you're carrying. Or oliho.
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 The view from Alego call it oliho.
Oliho.
But the people from other parts call it olutkon.
Olutkon.
Yep. So, aluoko oluth kuon.
Ma en oluth kuon.
Or ma
Olihon.
en oliho.
Oliho.
Ma en oliho.
Ma en oliho.
Yes. Then take something else that is not oliho.
A spoon.
Spoon is what? Ojiko.
Kijiko.
Ojiko.
Ojiko.
Mm.
Ma en ojiko.
Ojiko, not ojiko. Ojiko.
Maro en ojiko.
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 Ebu say it again now with that one.
Ma en ojiko.
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 Ebu again.
Ma en ojiko.
Hey, yeah. Ma en ojiko. Not that ojiko.
Ojiko.
Now, magigin.
Magi gin vijiko.
Ojiko. That is not Swahili. Swahili is a vijiko.
Yep.
Magigin ojiko. Koro, what are you doing? Itimang.
I am raising the
Gudoduo. Itimang.
agduduo vijiko.
Itimang.
Alwoko vijiko.
Aluoko ojikni.
Ojikni.
Yeah.
Magi en ojiko.
Magigin
Magi gin ojiko.
ojikni.
Ojikni.
Yeah. Aya. What is the next?
Knife. Butter knife.
Butter knife is pala.
Pala.
Pand makati.
Hand makati.
Pand makati.
Pand makati. Ma en pala. Aselwoko pala.
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 Not pala. Pala.
Pala. We have a cup.
Okombe.
Okombe.
Itimo ang'o?
Alwoko okombe.
Itimo ang'o?
Alwoko okombe.
But when you're rinsing, alawo okombe.
Allow okombe.
So the difference between luoko and lao is when you're washing with the soap, iluoko. But when you're rinsing, alawo.
Ma en okombe.
Good. You're so dark. I don't know whether this thing will be. If she's so dark, you just comment in the comment section.
Right.
What is a bowl? That is called I don't know what a bowl is. Bakul. But bakul is Swahili, you know? So that's why I'm like, I don't know whether we had a name for bakul. Did we? If we had a name for bakul, please let me know on the comment section.
Alwoko bakul.
Yes, aluoko bakul.
Alwoko bakul. Allow bakul.
Correct. So, aluoko and allow get to get different meanings. Amoyo. So when you're now drying it, see amoyo bakul.
Amoyo bakul. Okay. We have a pan.
Pan is like sufria.
Sufuria. Alwoko sufuria.
Aluoko sufria.
Sufuria. Allow sufuria.
Allow sufria.
Allow sufuria.
Then after that, you say
Aweto.
amoyo.
Amoyo. Ma en sufuria. Amoyo sufuria.
So, as you finish up, thank you for the subscribers. I will thank our subscribers.
Okay. Thank you for making us reach 4,000 subscribers. If you like this video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post.
And now we post what? We now post how many times a day? Do you even know? We do like very many videos. So
Yes.
we do like, I think 3 or 4 videos a day. Keep checking our channel. Tell them.
You can find us on Patreon, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, almost on every social media platform at Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, I'm washing dishes.